At the Fed meeting today, and as expected, we got a 25 bips rate cut. This was pretty much baked in the market already. Pretty much everybody was assuming that we were going to get a rate cut and 25 bips was going to be that magic number. It passed with pretty much overwhelming support, I believe 11-1 vote, and he even noted that there was not widespread support from either direction for a 50 bips cut. Powell did make it very clear that there were no rush in rate cuts, and as we really thought maybe they would move a little faster, he was really hawkish to neutral in this entire talk, and he pointed this out as really a risk management cut. He had some bullish statements, he had some bearish statements, but overall 25 bips as expected, and the market didn't really overreact. As of right now, we're pretty much flat across the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's back to 115,700, up 0.09% on the hour, down slightly on the day, but everything's really just flat. No major news came out of this that was going to scare investors off or make them rush back in. While the rate cuts were going on today, yesterday, there was a pretty big meeting, if you ask me. It kind of went under the radar where some people met about the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. We had lawmakers join crypto executives to talk about the Bitcoin Reserve on Tuesday. Very encouraging if you ask me. This is by no means going anywhere anytime soon, meaning no one's sweeping this under the rug, and we're probably not getting a reserve anytime soon either, but it's still on the table. Love to see it. This would be an absolutely huge catalyst. If we ever got a Bitcoin reserve, I do believe the price would absolutely skyrocket and we would see a huge candle. But right now, these meetings are very positive. Take a look at this. Even though we're having people meet for Bitcoin Strategic Reserves, the President of the United States is heavily involved with cryptocurrency. We're all crypto bulls at the end of the day. Bank of America's September survey showed that 67% of fund managers hold no crypto. Only a small fraction allocate 2%, 3%, 4%, and so on. The average allocation is just 0.4%. Overall, 84% haven't started a structural crypto investments, while only 8% have. Amazing stuff, to be honest with you. I was shocked by this number that 67% of fund managers still hold no crypto. Really, it's encouraging because I thought that number was going to be way higher. A lot more fund managers were diving in, but as this survey shows, that we have a ways to go. We've been talking within our private community on the market updates about this Open Sea TGE event where you claim this chest and you could really have an opportunity to get rewarded in certain NFTs and user fees. But one thing that was very interesting that popped up was that there will be one more season after this final pre-TGE phase of rewards, meaning once you open this first chest, you get prizes and there'll be another starter chest. So is this going to go on for another 30 days? Is it going to go on for 90 days? But what this goes to show us is that it's not happening within the time period of just 30 days like a lot of us suspected. Streamer meta or the creator meta was all the rage over the past couple of days. It definitely feels like it's been dying down, but it's probably not going anywhere anytime soon. For instance, Pumped Off Fund, I believe, issued $20 million in creator fees last week. And just yesterday, as you can see from this chart, they had $4 million in just one day in creator fees. Really amazing number here. It goes to show you the strength behind creators and streamers. I don't think this meta is going really anywhere time soon, but there was a massive run up here over the past few days, so it's naturally going to correct. We're going to find out exactly where this is, but where all this action is really happening is on Pump.Fun, one of our favorite tokens within our private community. It's absolutely been taking the crypto world by storm over the past few weeks. Definitely can't wait to see what else they have up their sleeves. And if you want to learn more about crypto, Web3, meme coins, NFTs, gaming, everything in the Web3 world, check out our link down below. We'd love to see you there.